Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. And I'm back with another amazing video. Today we are going to prepare mandazis. And here are our ingredients. I used 3 cups of wheat flour, a half a cup of sugar, salt, 1 tablespoon of BLUEBAND, baking powder and baking soda, and a cup of warm water. So let's get started. So first of all, I started by adding all the dry ingredients. I started by adding sugar and salt. Then again added a half a tablespoon of baking powder, a half a tablespoon of baking soda, one egg, and the BLUEBAND. Then mix them properly. So after mixing everything properly, you're going to add water little by little to form a soft and smooth dough. After forming a dough, knead your dough for like 5 minutes, then cover it for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, now we are going to roll our dough. So you start by pouring some wheat flour in the surface where you're going to roll your dough, so that you can easily roll your dough. So in cutting the mandazi's shape, I used that glass to cut the shapes. You can cut them the way you want. Before deep frying your mandazis, make sure your cooking oil is a bit hot so that you can start deep frying your mandazis. So deep fry them in a low heat. After they start turning that golden brown color, you can flip the other side. Make sure that both sides are well cooked. After they give you that brown color, you can now remove them. And we do have our delicious mandazis here. So if you really enjoyed my video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. So till next time, bye.